Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Children, we are going to read or revise the question answers of chapter 1. So, the first question is list 5 good habits that should be taken care at the time of eating food. So, children, the 5 good habits that should be taken care of at the time of eating food are: wash hands before eating, chew food properly before swallowing. So all of us know that it is very essential to wash our hand before eating, and the second point is to chew the food properly. Chew the food properly before swallowing the food. The third point is not to speak while chewing food. The fourth point is eat a balanced diet. The fifth point is take food at fixed intervals. So these are the 5 good habits that we should adopt while eating food. So these habits keeps us safe. Now the second question. Second question is name the different types of teeth present in the mouth and also mention their functions. So first of all, we will name the different teeth. We will write the name of different types of teeth. So children, as you remember, the different types of teeth presented in the mouth are, first of all, flat teeth or incisors. Second one is pointed teeth or canines. Third one is broad and grooved teeth or premolars and molars. So these 3 types of teeth are there presented in our mouth, and the functions of the teeth are as follows. First of all, we will write the function of the flat teeth. Flat teeth is used for biting and cutting the food. Second one is pointed teeth. Pointed teeth is used for tearing the food. The third one is broad and grooved teeth, and that are used for chewing and grinding the food. Question number 3, that is, why is it important to chew the food properly? So we must chew the food properly. Why it is important? It is important to chew the food properly for proper digestion of the food, because it needs to be chewed very properly. After that, it mixes with saliva and goes to the stomach through the food pipe. So for the proper digestion of food, it is important to chew the food properly. The next question, or question number 4, is why is washing, this is question number 4, why is washing of fruits and vegetables important for us? Now the answer is unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry germs of diseases like diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Unwashed fruits and vegetables can also carry egg of worms, and these worms create stomach problems after reaching to the stomach. So that is why it is very harmful to eat or to take unwashed fruits or vegetables. So let me define it one more time. First of all, unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry germs of diseases like diarrhea, vomiting, etc. And these fruits and vegetables can also carry eggs of worms. So these worms create stomach problems. After reaching the stomach, they used to grow in our stomach, and there they also consume the food that is meant by us. So these worms create stomach problems after reaching the stomach. The fifth question is, Sheena's mother often tells her not to eat too many sweets and chocolates. Why do you think, Sissy, she say so? So not only Sheena's mother, but your mother also tells not to eat many sweets and chocolates. Children, these sweets and chocolates are not good for health. They are very harmful. Too much sweets and chocolates are not good for health. It affects bad on our teeth. So if sugar and bacteria are left on the teeth for long, they can cause tooth decay. That is why Sheena's mother tells her not to eat too many sweet items. So this is the answer of question number 5. And now let's move to question number 6, that is to complete the given food path. So this question we have already done in our classwork also, and we have to make a food path. That food path is food first of all goes to the mouth, then through the food pipe or esophagus it reaches to the stomach, then in the small intestine, then it goes to the large intestine, and then it comes to rectum, and then after anus. So this is the food path of the given question. Thank you, children. So this is the value based questions. This is the value based chapter, children. Let's know the story of Rahul. It was lunchtime in the school. Rahul and his friends gathered to have lunch together. All the friends started eating their lunch. Rahul did not find his lunch box in his bag. He had forgotten it at home. His friend Sanyam noticed this. He immediately offered to share his lunch with him. Rahul, however, moved out of the class. He brought some food from the vendor outside the school gate and ate it. So what has been given here, children? Rahul is a small boy like you, and he carries some money in his pocket all the time. That's why one day he forgotten his lunch at home. So that his friend, who was named Sanyam, he noticed this and he immediately offered his own lunch to share, and he offered him his lunch. But Rahul did not accepted his offer, and he rushed out to the school gate. And out of the school gate there are vendors who were selling some food items outside the school gate, and from there Rahul used to buy some open unwashed food items. Here you can see in the picture also, and there he did not accepted his friend's offer who was offering him his own lunch. He refused the offer to eat homemade food from the lunch of his friend, and he missed his lunch box or forgotten his lunch box at home. And the result was that he used to buy some food items. Those items were openly selling outside the gate of the school, and this boy went out to the school gate, and from there he just buy some food item from the vendor and just he ate it. So the question is for you. What would you do if you were in Rahul's place? So it totally depends on you to answer this question. If you are Rahul and you miss to take your lunch to the school, then what will you do? Do you buy from outside, or do you accept the offer of your friend? Yes, children, it is right. you are right that you never rush out to the school gate to buy food items from the vendor, because those items were unhealthy and unwashed and unhygienic. So that you are right that you used to eat food from the lunch box of your friend. So this is very good to eat homemade food, not to eat outside food, because those food items were unwashed, uncovered, which create many kind of diseases and stomach problems. Now let's discuss the next question. The next question is Sanyam. Who was Sanyam? Sanyam was his friend. Sanyam was Rahul's friend. So Sanyam tried to share his food with Rahul. In what situation do you help your friends? So you often used to share your lunch box in the lunch time to your friend. So here the question is कि Sanyam tried to share his food with Rahul. But in which condition? Have you ever shared your food items with your friend? Yes, children, you are right. Oftenly you used to share the lunch box. Whenever any boy or girl missed their lunch box or they just forgotten their lunch boxes at home, the children or their colleagues or other students, friends used to offer food to that children. So this time going out of gate of the school is not allowed. So this is very good thing, and the open food items from outside, these are not good for health. So children used to share their lunch among their friends. They enjoy to eat with their lunch, so that is very good. Now the third question is, do you think that eating food from roadside vendors is a healthy option? Do you think, children, that the eating food from outside or roadside vendors is a healthy option? No, never. Eating food from roadside vendors is not a healthy option, because they use unhygienic, they use uncovered food, unwashed food, how they cook the food, whether it is properly cleaned or not, whether the vessels are properly cleaned or not, whether the man who is selling, he used to proper maintains hygiene or not. So these are the questions. That's why eating food from roadside or outside, it is a not healthy option. So children, you must take care of these things. Never you eat from outside vendors, because the food items were open, sometimes they are peeled also, and people used to enjoy that food, but that food items are never good for our health. They create different kind of diseases, as we learn in this chapter. Sometimes diarrhea happens, sometimes jaundice occurs, sometimes vomiting tendency is there, sometimes food poisoning is there. There is a number of diseases which occurs when we used to eat food from outside, because those food items were unwashed, uncovered, and it is not selling in properly or proper conditions. That's why we must take care of having such kind of food items. So this is the value based of this lesson. These are the value based question. So in our next class we will discuss also about this lesson. Now comes something to do. In this something to do, you have to prepare a jaw, shape of jaw. I hope all of you prepared before also, but if it is possible, you can make a jaw with the help of clay and peanuts that we often use in our house. So you can make a jaw, and then you can take some peeled peanuts as teeth. You can prepare, you can make it very happily if it is possible. Okay children, thank you.